And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube. I'm gonna unceremoniously plug a product that I think everybody needs. See this and this? Well, at one point in my life, this thing was fused on here, and I had to beat it with I literally beat it with a hammer, and it didn't even move. Like, it wouldn't even budge. It was from an old floor jack. I wanted the cast iron wheel. It wouldn't even turn. Like, I literally, I had those, the other side, I cut it off, as you can see. It wouldn't even come off. So I soaked it with WD-40. I tried all kinds of shit. And then I was watching a video on YouTube with, I think, what the hell's his channel? It's not, anyway, I don't know what his channel is, but he always uses this stuff, CRC products. And it's kind of funny because it says knock her loose. I mean, you can make jokes about it. But this stuff, I sprayed it in here, and I figured, I'll spray some now. I'll give it a little turn. I'll spray it tomorrow. I'll come back a week later. I'll turn it a little more. I literally sprayed this on both sides. Watched it. You can actually see it like creep in. Like, you put a big bubble and just, you can see it go inside. No word of a lie, this wheel came off 5 minutes later. It literally went like, I literally took a wrench and just turned it, and it came. Even now, it doesn't come off very good. It came off. It just slid right off. Like, and I was just amazed. I've been taking apart a 1920s or 30s Oxford Allen Villers scythe, and the same thing. I've been spraying with, and this stuff has been helping me take bolts off endlessly. They also make a CRC 6-56 multi-purpose lubricant, which somebody, I think the same video, I forget what his name is. Oh man. He works, or he used to work for a museum, and he said just spray it all over your equipment. And it, like, so when it gets hot in here in the summer and cold in the winter, I just sprayed it on everything. Like, just sprayed on my milling, and nothing's rusted. My welding table hasn't, it's been what, 2 years now, hasn't rusted one bit. My milling machine's got a few spots of surface rust, but I lubricated it, and it's fine. So yeah, if you get a chance, pick it up on go on Amazon. I think Fastenal in the US sells it, and amazingly, you can walk in and buy anything. You don't need to open an account. And in Canada, you need to open an account. They want you to buy X $100 a month and blah blah blah. And I'm like, middle finger to you too, you know, like, whatever. So yeah, that's my second to last video for tonight. What the hell was I gonna say? Like, subscribe, and if you want to see anything else, I'm not doing a shop tour until I clean this whole area behind me. There's a pile of junk on the floor, which you probably see in every video, or don't. And I don't know. Thanks for watching my videos, and I hope I can get some more subscribers, and maybe people have some more fun.